Hello guys, welcome to another new video. I hope you all are well and taking care of yourself. Today we got a very good opportunity in Euro versus US dollar. Nowadays good opportunities are rarely found in this pair because setups are not formed in this pair according to my strategy. Let me apply the trade as we are getting the entry at the right place. Here I have calculated the lot using the position size calculator, the link of which you will find in the description box. See you guys later. Guys, right now our profit is more than $100. I have $3,880 in this account which we have to grow. If we incur loss in this trade, then loss is a part of the game. Let me explain to you why I placed a buying trade here. If we look at this pair closely, it is moving upwards, making higher highs and higher lows. Here I am increasing the time frame from 15-minute to 30-minute because with this we can cover maximum levels. Here we will first create a trend channel. The market is moving upwards, taking support on this trend line. The market is respecting this trend line very well because this is a strong trend line, and the market all further analysis will be based on this trend line. Take another trend line and connect it with same angle at higher high points. This trend line is acting as resistance. The market is moving upwards, creating an uptrend pattern within this trend channel where we will see proper higher high, higher low points. From these points we can guess the trend of the market. Now we will draw strong support resistance level. This will give us more signals of uptrend. We will use rectangle tool to draw it. Here the market has created multiple support and resistance points at the same level, making this a strong level for the market. Here you can clearly see that the market first faced resistance at this level and later broke this level and created support points, due to which a resistance became support pattern is created here. This is a strong pattern of uptrend. Due to these patterns, the chances of the market going up are very high. A similar uptrend pattern has already been created, due to which the market gave a very good move upwards. Let me create it and show you. At this level also the market first faced resistance and later broke it upwards and made it support, due to which a resistance became support pattern is created here. Also this type of pattern always indicates a strong uptrend. Now we place stop loss and target point, which is most important. Here my stop loss will be 21 pip below the strong reversal level and inside the trend channel. If the market moves down to take trendline support, then our stop loss will be hit, and the target point will be double 42 pip of stop loss. Here is another strong resistance level of the market. The market can reach this level as the market is moving in a strong uptrend. Guys, we have moved from profit to loss, and this trend will continue until either the stop loss or the target is hit. We just need to focus on the trading process here. Guys, you will be able to easily see the stop loss and target points. If the market hits either of these, we will close the trade so that we can follow all our rules properly. If you want more videos of this strategy, then you can watch in the playlist section of my channel. I have also created a playlist of other strategies there which can be of great benefit to you. See you guys after some time. Till then you can like the video.
Thank God that the brothers on the rise now. Endless celebrations all in my house. Levitating now, I'm super duper fly now. London boy, but they see where I reside now. Put the time in while you always yelling time out. And for quit it, cause I know I'm coming with it. You were sitting, you were wishing I was handling my business. Now I got the ball.
Always greatest of all time Forex trading. Guys, it is very difficult to predict this move. Our analysis worked very well here. Our entry was at the right place, due to which our target was achieved quickly. Now we close the trade. Guys, our profit is currently around $6,900. We had $3,880 in our account, which has now grown to $11,317. Here we followed the right trend and proper risk management, due to which we got to see good profit and move. If you always work in the market in a simple way, then you too can generate good profit. If you have learned something from this video, then please like and share the video. See you guys in the next video. Always keep learning, keep moving forward.